guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye. Enjoy the video. It's more passive than that. It's more passive than getting dressed up and you gotta go out here and hit 285 or hit I-70, I-40 and sit there for 40 hours a week. It's more passive than that. And a lot of you are sitting on ideas and you just don't have anyone to execute it with you. Just like I'm helping people build their notary businesses, that's not going away, guys. I bleed notary. But the second thing I bleed in my other arm is business. I love creating businesses. I love helping people to execute. Okay. Oh, thank you, Tyra. Thank you. Yay. It's called Creators Club with Kimmi, all K's. Creators Club with Kimmi. Okay. So you can sign up for the you can go to the YouTube channel and you can see the website. It's already pretty much done, but it's not rolled out yet. So don't try to buy anything. It's not rolled out yet. Don't try to buy anything. So within that Creators Club, I'll just tell you a little bit about it while I wait for your notary questions. Within the Creators Club, I'm going to show you if you're interested in how to start your YouTube channel, how to start a podcast, if you want to do a blog, all of the things digitally that people are making money with. And I've done all of them, so now I can effectively teach you how to do it. I just did something the other day and I was like, dang, I wish somebody had told me about this, and it didn't. So I didn't know. So as I'm learning still, because I've been doing this thing for like almost 5-6 years now, right? Walking in this digital world. But there's so much money, guys. You see these teenagers and babies have channels, but this older crowd between like I'll even say some 30-year-olds. 30-year-olds sometimes just don't want to be bothered with nothing, right? A lot, and this is no shade, but a lot still living at home. They have no interest in really, whatever, cool, whatever. But my 40-year-olds and 50-year-olds and 60-year-olds, 70 people are older guys, got YouTube channels. You need to be out here getting some of this digital money. Okay. And it can seem a little overwhelming because it's so many things. How do you get it? What do you do? Okay. So I'm good at all of it. I have a podcast. Never would have thought the podcast would be as successful as it is. Most of my clients find me from YouTube or my podcast. I would have never thought. Never thought. I think my podcast has over 50,000 downloads. What? And it's only been around like 2 years, maybe. I think the podcast may be 2 years old. So I have a blog. I started blogging heavily this year. So guys, it's digital money out here. It is. So my main bread and butter is my notary business. But thank God for my notary business because that's helping me to feed my other business, right? It's helping me to grow my other business. So that's what's going to happen for you. And that's what I want to help you to do. I want you to start your YouTube channel. I want you to start a blog. I want you to start a course. I want you to start all these different things. And a lot of times, like I just mentioned earlier, even with the notary business, you got all this stuff, you got all these ideas and you don't know how to make it happen. So that's why I changed it from business life to Creators Club, because a lot of you are creators. You know how to bake a chocolate chip cookie well. People always are asking you, hey, how you bake that cookie? Hey, one cookie could turn into 20 cookies. Okay. One cookie could turn. Everybody's always asking, girl, how you bake that red velvet cake? Right? Everybody loves your cake. It may not be that you want to do a YouTube channel. You may not want to do all this other stuff, and that's okay. You may not, right? But whatever it is you want to do, get in the Creators Club, and I'll let y'all know when it comes. I'll let you know when it comes out. Deborah says, thank you for providing so much information. Is there an alternative to PayPal? I had my identity stolen with their service. Hey Deborah, welcome. I do not prefer PayPal either. I do not. I've never had an incident with them. It's just not my preferred method. Where's my sister at? Um, I'm sorry. She'll call when she's ready. She said she's gonna go put. Oh, I think she's pulling up now. She is. We're gonna go out here and walk, y'all. Cause I was like, where is she at? I'm gonna still talk to y'all. I got my selfie stick. Yeah, so I don't prefer PayPal myself. Let me put on my fanny pack. Yeah, I don't, because it's just not my preferred method. I prefer Cash App. Zelle is my favorite. I always like to take a bottle of water with me whenever I'm going out. Yeah, I like Zelle and I like Cash App are my two favorite. Now, out of those two, which one do I prefer? If you ask me all day long, I'm gonna tell you I want Zelle, because it goes right. Make sure I got my house keys. It goes right into my bank account, and I don't have any fees. So that's my preferred method of payment. Is going to be Zelle. And some people feel like Cash App is ghetto. I don't think that. I don't think that. I take Cash App, and if that's how my client wants to pay me, that's what I'm taking. Okay. I don't say, well, I'm not gonna take Cash App. And the reason you want to make it easy for your clients to pay you, I'm live.
Oh, you live? Okay, let me move this jacket.
You want your clients to pay you how they want to pay you, just for a few more minutes.
Go ahead, I don't care.
Yeah, you don't tell your clients.
This for me?
No, that's for me. You want water?
No, I got one because you got your hand all over the top.
Just sit it in there. Let me let the seat back.
Go ahead, get comfortable.
Yeah, I make it easy for my clients to pay me. Okay, I don't tell them what's easy for me. Now, if they ask me, I'm gonna tell them. Hey, Karen.
Hi.
But I take everything. I don't know if you want to say hello or not. You don't have to.
Hey, Denise.
Hey, Kay Denise. You want to say hi?
Hey. Yeah, hey, notary people.
All right. So anyway, let me open this. Hold on, guys. I gotta open the stick.
Did they have a half a day?
They got out early yesterday too.
Where their parents at?
They walk home every day.
Okay, well, where their parents
Okay, yeah. They walk home every day by themselves.
Somebody need to be out.
Hi, kitties.
Mm-hmm.
They so cute. They don't be wanting to speak, y'all. These kids, they so bad.
Well, they ain't bad.
They ain't bad. They just kids.
And then stranger danger.
And that is true, stranger danger. But I always say hi to the kids because I don't know if anybody else saying hi to them, you know?
Yeah, he's from one of them.
All right, y'all. Sorry about that. My signal usually goes out right there in that area. So anyway, yeah. So my favorite way of taking payment though, again, is going to be Cash App. My second method is Zelle rather. It's my favorite way. Second way is going to be Cash App. And with Cash App, again, you don't have to worry. You don't have to pay that fee. Because a lot of times people say, well, I don't want to pay the fee. I don't want to pay the fee. You don't have to pay the fee. You can do what's called the standard. And then it'll deposit it when it deposited. Oh, I'm so glad you got your thing. She got her
hands free.
What you call it? And that's still gonna get you a ticket. All that wavering. Can't turn it towards you.
Okay. I'm just trying to type in. Go ahead. I got you.
She's doing no, you don't have to turn over, but I'm just saying move the phone.
At the stop sign, I do.
What you call it? Your phone, hands free. In Georgia, we're hands free. Most states are now. So that's another little notary tip for you guys. Make sure you get you a good cell phone thing, so you don't be out here getting no ticket. It'll stop you. And sometimes you got to look on your MapQuest and see where you're going. You know, you got to make sure you're listening to the directions. So don't be distracted. So anyway, that's what I do for my payments. Any more questions about payments? So that's a good question, Deborah.
Continue on Lee Road Southwest.
That's a good question. What other questions do you all have? Now look at him. He just went around him. What other questions do you all have while I am here live with Kay Denise? She can't talk because she's trying to drive.
That's a feat all in itself.
Yeah. So we got to be safety first, y'all. But do we have any other questions I can answer for you while I am here? Tyra, what state did you tell me you were in? Ohio? What part of Ohio? I think you told me you were in Ohio. It's hot out here. I got on long sleeves because it was so cool. I didn't know what to do. All right, nothing else. Oh, last few tips about field inspections though. You want to sign up with multiple companies.
Take the next right onto Mink-Livesey Road.
Sign up with multiple companies when it comes to field inspection. Same thing with signing service. You can counter offer with them when you are signing up with these field inspection companies.
Mink-Livesey Road for 1.5 miles.
I don't always just take the first thing anybody gives me, unless it's a good price. If you think it's a good price and it's fair, you don't have to counter just to be countering, okay? Because sometimes people want to do that. Oh, I'm going to just counter offer because I can. No, you don't have to. So I only counter when it's necessary, when it's a requirement. I don't counter just for the sake of countering. Because you want to have a good reputation and a good relationship with people. And if they get the, you know, a whiff of, well, you know what, she's going to always counter. I don't care what I offer her. She's going to always be extra. I hope that, I'm trying to make sure the lighting is okay. I think it's good. Yeah, so again, be fair with your clients. Even with companies, I don't care if it's an attorney. Sometimes people say, well, I'll charge an attorney more because they got more money. And I will reason like that sometimes too. But again, you do have to look at the total package when you're pricing something right. You really do. That's why they always say location, location, location when you're buying a home. Depends on where you're buying the house at. So you got to look at all the factors. A house in one part of the city could cost more in a different part just because of the zip code. So I mean, that's kind of a fact with everything. I see we got quite a few people that have joined us. I am open to doing a few more questions before I wrap this up. Any more questions? Don't be shy. You good there?
Mm-hmm.
Katie needs?
I'm just trying to focus.
All right, she's focusing on driving, so let me leave her alone. It's so beautiful out today. It's so beautiful. All right, guys, nothing else. So I'm going to wrap it up. I got 2 more seconds for any questions. Anything else? Nope. All right. Well, notaryeducators.com for all of your notary training needs. Don't forget the journals, the books, the mentorship, 2 points of entry. We all meet together every week, so it's not like the $27 people get anything less. We all meet together and you all get all the gems. So when you're truly ready, when you are truly ready to start your business and get the knowledge that you need to grow, check out notaryeducators.com, okay? On behalf of Kay Denise
in a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Pleasant
and
Hill
Notary
Road
Educators,
Northwest.
again, I'm Kimmy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.